Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about self-care practices that you can incorporate in your daily routine to boost your well-being and your happiness. So let's quickly dive in. First of all, when we talk about self care, the biggest question is what is self care? Let's define it. So, self care is a practice of taking action to preserve or improve one's own health. It can be physical as well as mental. So, it involves activities and practices that we engage on a regular basis to reduce our stress and maintain and enhance our short as well as long term health and well being. But why is it so important? Taking time for self care helps to prevent burnout. It reduces stress and improves your physical health too, and boosts your mental health. It's very essential for maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself and others, everyone around you. Now, let's look at some simple yet effective self care practices that you can incorporate in your everyday life. Number one, your morning routine. Start your day with positive morning routine. This can include activities like stretching a bit, yoga, meditation, or journaling. A good morning routine sets the tone for productive as well as a balanced day. Second is healthy eating. Nourish your body with healthy and balanced meals. Make time for breakfast. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Third is physical activity, which goes missing for many of us. So, incorporate physical activities into your daily routine. This does not have to mean hitting the gym, it can be simple as going for a walk or doing yoga or dancing your favorite music. If you're starting with the exercise, start with at least 5 minutes and then increase that gradually. It helps a lot. Fourth is mindfulness and meditation. Take time for mindfulness and meditation daily, please. These practices can help you stay grounded, reduce anxiety, and improve your focus. Because what is happening is because of our devices and our work, we are so much into anxiety and stress that this has become mandatory for all of us if you want to maintain a good physical as well as mental health. Fifth is digital detox. Unplug from the technology regularly. Set aside time each day to disconnect from your device and enjoy activities like reading, spending time in nature, or engaging in some hobbies. Six is rest and relaxation. Ensure that you're getting enough rest and relaxation. Prioritize your sleep and make time for activities that help you unwind, like taking a bath, listening to music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Seventh is having some personal hobbies. Engage in hobbies or activities that you love, whether it's painting, gardening, cooking, or playing some instrument or singing. Doing something that you enjoy and can significantly boost your mood and reduce your stress. Eight, and the final one, social connections. Maintain social connections, spend time with family, friends, and do not hesitate to reach out for support when you actually need it. Now, these were the eight practices that I have shared with you, but there are some things like we have busy schedules, then how do we do it? So, self care tips for your busy schedules. If you have a busy schedule, there are some quick self care tips for you to stay balanced. Tip number one, micro movement of self care. Incorporate micro movements of self care throughout your day. Take few deep breaths, stretch, and enjoy a cup of tea. That helps a lot. Second is plan ahead. Plan your self care activities well in advance. Schedule them into a calendar just like you would do any other important task or an appointment or a meeting. Third is set boundaries. Set boundaries to protect your time, your energy. Learn to say no. Prioritize your activities that nourish your well being. Like, remember, self care isn't being selfish. It's essential. By taking time for yourself each day, you can improve your overall well being, your physical as well as mental, and be more present for those around you. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share your favorite self-care practices in the comments below. So see you next time. Bye bye.